In the tense waters of the Strait of Hormuz, one of the most strategic waterways in the world, another incident has occurred. A surveillance drone believed to be operated by Iran approached a United States warship amid rising military tensions in the region. The drone flew too close and did not respond to the warnings that had been issued. The drone was successfully shot down. This incident adds to the growing list of tensions involving drones, warships, and military patrols in the area. Ammunition belts are carefully fed into the machine, each round representing readiness and control. Hands steady, eyes focused. This is routine, yet every motion carries weight. Out at sea, uncertainty is constant. And in moments like this, preparation is everything. The crew works as one, trained to respond without hesitation. No wasted movement. No room for error. Because when a threat appears, there is no time to think, only to act. This is vigilance at sea. Out in the vast, open waters of the Persian Gulf, tension hangs heavy in the air. Miles away from the coastline, a United States aircraft carrier strike group cuts through the sea with precision and purpose. The horizon stretches endlessly, but beneath that calm surface lies one of the most dangerous regions in the world. The Strait of Hormuz. A narrow passage, roughly just over 20 miles wide at its tightest point, yet responsible for a massive portion of global energy flow. And right now, it is a zone of uncertainty. On the flight deck, there is no hesitation. Crew members move with speed and discipline, preparing fighter jets for immediate launch. The roar of engines builds as pilots run final checks inside their cockpits. Weapons are loaded. Systems are armed. This is not a drill. Reports have indicated increased drone activity in the region. Unmanned aerial systems, small, fast, and difficult to detect, have become a serious concern for naval forces operating here. In modern warfare, even a low-cost drone can pose a real threat to high-value assets. And in this environment, every second matters. Distance to operational zone, 85 miles. The call echoes across the command deck. Radar systems scan continuously, tracking every movement in the sky and across the water. Operators monitor multiple layers of data, airborne contacts, surface vessels, and potential unidentified signals. Because in the Strait of Hormuz, threats don't come from just one direction. They can come from everywhere. Below deck, the crew is working relentlessly. Ammunition belts are being loaded into weapon systems. Helicopters are being prepped, armed and ready for surveillance and rapid response missions. Each movement is calculated. Each step is part of a larger system designed for one purpose: readiness. On deck, a fighter jet is cleared for launch. The engines scream to life. Heat waves ripple across the runway as the aircraft accelerates, pushing forward with explosive power before launching into the sky in seconds. Another follows. Then another. Above the carrier group, helicopters lift off, equipped for reconnaissance, scanning the surrounding waters mile by mile. From this vantage point, they search for anything unusual. Fast-moving boats, unidentified aircraft, or low-flying drones. Because here, even a small object can change everything. The geography of this region creates a constant challenge. Surrounded by coastlines and confined waters, ships passing through the strait are exposed to multiple angles of potential threat. There is no safe direction, only constant vigilance. Unidentified contact, bearing 040. The tension rises instantly. Operators zoom in. Signals are analyzed. Every detail matters: speed, altitude, trajectory. Is it civilian? Is it surveillance? Or something else? In recent years, drones have evolved rapidly. They can fly low to avoid radar detection. They can operate in groups. And they can be deployed in large numbers, creating complex scenarios for defense systems. This is the reality of modern naval operations. Back on deck, another jet prepares for launch. The crew signals. The pilot acknowledges. Full throttle. In a split second, the aircraft is airborne, disappearing into the sky as part of a defensive patrol. Meanwhile, helicopters continue scanning the area. From above, the ocean looks calm. But the mission is clear. Monitor, detect, and respond. Distance to Strait, 60 miles. The carrier group continues forward. Every system is active. Every crew member is focused. Because as they move closer, the operational complexity increases. The Strait of Hormuz is not just a waterway. It is a strategic choke point where global trade, military presence, and regional tensions intersect. And in this environment, even a single incident can escalate quickly. Below deck, the pace does not slow. More ammunition is prepared. More systems are checked. There is no room for error. Above, fighter jets maintain patrol patterns. Their role is not just to respond, but to deter. To show presence. To ensure that any potential threat is identified before it gets too close. Contact lost. A brief moment of silence. Was it a drone? A signal anomaly? Or something else entirely? In this environment, uncertainty is constant. The carrier group continues its mission. Helicopters rotate shifts. Jets refuel and rearm. The cycle never stops. Because here, in one of the most sensitive maritime regions in the world, readiness is not optional. It is survival. As the distance to the strait continues to close, every eye remains on the horizon. Every sensor scans the sky. Every crew member stays prepared. Out here, there is no pause. No reset. Only constant movement, constant awareness, and constant readiness. Because in the Strait of Hormuz, the line between routine and crisis is razor thin. And when that line is crossed, there is no time to think. Only time to act.